fi make everybody see it. You see me? Yeah, man. Do it for make everybody see it, guys. We don't know certain things set, you know, because we not hide the progress, you know. And once you discover a person who I try to help other people, I'm just gonna join in and help other people too, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Because knowledge is power, you know, guys. And when you have power, you're able to maneuver yourself and to help ones too, you know, who really is in need, you know, or who really want to know something, you know, or gather information, you know, about a certain thing. Because, to be honest with you guys, me understand says not everybody think the same as how me would think, or as how other loyal content creator would think. Saying because you have a lot of content creators who out there who help people. Meaning not just help by giving, but help other content creators to grow as well. You have some content creators, they will never help you grow. Never. While you have some will help you grow. Worse if them say. Not worse as in bad. You know what I mean? So I don't even want to use a word there. But, you know, if them really see potential in you, you know, and them see it, you know, so me go say something about this content creator, me talk something about this person, me go make some people go over to this person, or say, you know what I mean? Some content creator guys who don't know the game would want to know the game. And I only can share a few tips with you based upon of this reaction video, seeing, and this person. And you know, for those of you who are young content creators, you need to hear this and know this. Because as I say, sometimes some content creators not telling you a thing. Some content creators don't know as much too. So, you know, you learn as you go along the way, you know. While you have some content creators who tend to, you know, want to get into you and try to, you know, come into you slowly, you know, and, you know, then try to buy your friendship, like, for get into you because you're a person of substance. See? So, them try to come into you, buy your friendship neatly, go in your head, you know, if them hear like you talk about a certain individual where you might rate, then come, you have to just listen out for them, then come neatly, then come like a snake, them just roll up on you neatly and just curl up, and then them try to go in your mind against other people too. Guys, can we see them thing they are happening up on YouTube, you know? We see them thing up on YouTube they are going, you know? You see me? Yeah, man, guys, man, not joking thing, man. At the same time, everybody have them own perspective about things and how them think. But as I say, you have some content creator will come around you, and then we hear you talk about an individual, another content creator, and them in your brain, I try corrupt all your mind against a certain content creator for nothing at all. Why? Pan for them behalf, them feel like the bridging you highlight the bridging too much, man. Me want the highlight too. You know what I mean? So them try to come into you for even break a bond between you and that person, just to get themselves into line for that person can see them. See? You see them thing they are going on YouTube. YouTube is a platform where people come and make money. Once your content them are good, nice to watch, not too long, if it even long, what I always advise content creators, especially young content creators, you can't do long video too much. You can't do too much a long video. Because people will company and say, them, first of all, people always look on the time, how long the video is. Now if people don't want to watch no long content, no long video. Them just want to see one little 10 minutes video, one 15 minutes video, and maybe one 20 minutes video. But if you are a person who already have your audience, people will watch up to an hour. What a video. If you have your audience. See, because when people see your post or see you up there, they must say, wait, I never put out a new video. I want to see what I'm saying, because one thing with them, the man is not ramping up. You see, when every time I do a content, guys, let me tell you something about me. You see, when I do a content, me barely miss the point. You see me, I say, barely miss. If me do miss a point, a coincidence. But me always try to be on point with what I say. Because whatever I say should be true and not lie. Can make a mistake too as well. But it is what it is. I try my best. For whatever I push out is accurate. Now, as we said, this is young content creators, and it goes for everybody. And everything everybody knows still, you know what I mean? This content, this person say, how much YouTube pays. Seen?
Welcome back. Yes, guys, as you just watched that video, I tell you, peace and love and enough respect and manners to all the subscribers, all followers, each and every one where I see what I go on, I watch what I go on, and I support the channel and I support it. Now, as you see the thumbnail and you see the first part of this video, people, guys, the reason for this video is overwhelmed. Yeah, it's because I have this YouTube channel from 2009. But the lady with me with 2009, she never liked the YouTube channel, and she always have all kind of bad things to say about the YouTube channel. So I don't bother with it no more. I just cut it down. But I still have a channel, still watch, and I watch, and you know, I watch YouTube and laugh, and I think I post some videos one at a time. Some food videos. Because I know I'm a chef, I have a food business, small food business, you know, food truck and thing. So when I check it out, I start to watch back YouTube now seriously, because I say I want to watch YouTube, to go up on YouTube, because through me do the food, Jamaican food, I want to push out my business and Jamaican food more to the world, you know. So I start to watch Color. And I tell you the truth, say, when I see Color do the dumpling business there, I have a video for that too, because a long time I make a video but I not post it. But one day, I watch Color, and I hear Color call a name, Oliver Lifestyle J.A. And when he call the name, I listen to him, I say, and he must say like good things about the brother. But after me done watch Color there, I go over to Oliver Lifestyle. I watch him first. Yeah, I watch him first. I watch him video, and I say, wait. I never comment. I not telling a lie. I never comment on none of the video them. I just watch them still come. I say, wait, that brother have some things attack, you know. So I watch him now, I laugh and I say, yo, that brother ain't easy do. He either go tell you, say you do good, or you do bad. Until I watch him now and I realize, me hear. Because before me see the Color Smith problem there, in my house, I sit down and I talk and I say, something go happen in there, because I get a car from yard. Yeah, I get a car from Jamaica there. Because, you know, Jamaica I come from, Portland, you know. Yeah, man. So I get a call and I say, what you say? So me say to my lady, say, something go happen. She say, how you know that? And I say, yeah, something go happen, man. I mean, I tell you, when me see the video come, Oliver lifestyle, boom! I say to her, say, so me I tell you, say something that go happen now. And it's like me I talk in my house and me I watch Oliver, and people, me I tell you today, say Oliver lifestyle make me do a video upon colors. What me just say a while ago, Oliver lifestyle make me do a video pan color. Cause me never do no video. Me just sit down and I say, yeah, me go start back my YouTube, yeah, me go start back my YouTube, yeah, me go start back my YouTube, but me not start nothing. Until Oliver lifestyle do him thing, and me see it and me I say, yo, and me go so boom, 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 boom. There we go. Fast forward from that, me I watch Oliver the other night. And when me I watch him, me hear him talk about young content creator, new content creator. And me go so, me fool me on. Cause me start to, me I wonder what him I go talk about now. Marking me know if I bad or good him out talk about, but me want to know him out talk about. So, me fool me on so and I listen. And when me hear him I say, me go so, yeah, cause when I say, him a talk to me. Yeah, when I say him a talk to me as a content creator, we just come. Cause me a newbie now. We just come. I think me have 801, 802, 803 people. I think I did 803 and then me lose 2 people, so I 801. Yeah, I hope them 2 people that come back, or I hope me get some more so me can reach 1,000 for get for try monetize and thing. You know, so when me listen to him, me hear him talk and me start call some names as some content creator where him say potential in and you know, and to be people. Do you know say me hear Oliver lifestyle say Rodney's kitchen and lifestyle? Me say me jump up in the place and me say yeah. Me happy and excited because guess what happened? That man a big YouTuber, you know. I think 11,000 but he big. 10,000. Me never reach 1,000 yet. So me know they nowhere near him and him big. And he call my name and several other people name. And me sit down and me say, how can I brother this? Yeah, this a brother, a good brother, man. And it's like, me sit down there and start to watch him now and me start to write and he start to answer back and, you know, me I write some comment and I think him talk about a specific thing. And me tell him what happened in my house watching that specific thing him a talk about. And me tell him what my lady say about that specific thing too. Yes, me tell him exactly what she say about it because him the right, because me that say the same thing too, but me not put them sitting upon nothing. Because me not so fully understand the YouTube and where people can report your page because you say something about for them page and sitting. So me say, you know, me not trouble that. Me leave that alone. You know, so this morning, see our next video, Oliver post our next video. This video when post was the same video when me show at the first part. And it is good to see another YouTuber I say them kind of things to us as a small, tiny YouTuber, tiny content creator. Yeah, it is very good to see him. We have over 10,000 subscribers. I tell we when him have 1,000 subscriber. Him a talk to, and as a matter of fact, he say him a talk to everybody, big and small. I mean, listen to him, and guess what? Him call me name again. Him call out a couple people, me can't remember them name right now, and guess what me do? When me done watch him thing, me go over to them page and subscribe to them page. Now, Color Smith I do film thing. Oliver Lifestyle are the theme thing. The only thing we can say to him, Oliver, keep on doing what you're doing, brother. Keep on help me, the person where they behind me, the person where they before me. Keep on talking, brother. Because what you are do is good. Yeah, man, it's a breath of fresh air to say a person that say, yeah, man, no do this, yeah, man, no do that, yeah, man, no do that, because the man say, which we all know, money depend on YouTube for everybody. But you have some man out there where are going like, it only did it for them alone. Sad world we live in, brother. Yeah, man, it's a sad world we live in. You have some people out there are going like YouTube. I feed them alone. Them not help you do nothing. They not give you no suggestion. Gatekeepers out there. But guess what happened? You can't do nothing to them, you can't say nothing to them because I feed them opinion, I feed them life, I feed them YouTube channel, I feed them mouth. But big up yourself, Oliver Lifestyle. Big up yourself. What color say? Me nah give them all for fish. Yeah. Me give you a line. Make you go fish and catch fish yourself. Oliver Lifestyle. Big up yourself. You give me and many more people line to go catch fish, my brother. Because enough of what me see you do. Me take like a bit from this so. And make for me little content them too. Yes, because we not perfect. None of we not perfect. The idea them in the brain, but you have to learn from somebody who did it already. Because me no want to get no. Me go put on a little music one day. I think it's a Beenie Man. Me believe me put on just a little bit. Then dock me, but for copyright. But then go against me. Them send me a little thing and say, this copyright, but it doesn't go against you. Yeah, man, in a big letter. Me tell them, say, I'll never do it again. You know what me go do? Me go pay for epic sound because me don't want to get none of trouble. Because me don't like trouble. So, big up, enough respect, enough manners to Oliver Lifestyle. Anyway, my people, you know what Oliver say, you must make the video them too long. So, me I go 15 minutes or 20 minutes. So, this video is just about Oliver Lifestyle. Yes, me respect that brother there. Me really respect him. So, I'm out. But before I go, have a blessed day. Have a blessed life. And if you don't have anything to say good about people, don't say nothing. On the behalf of me, myself, and I, manners, enough respect. Before me go, though, please subscribe, like, share, and comment so that the page can grow, so that the channel can get bigger, so me can get to show no more things. Peace and love, manners and respect. Chat about. Not say a word. Me love myself. Me love that day. Nice.